shitting how if you don't have gloves then your fingers are blue. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. I am going to be doing some more blue in my hair today. I look like shit, but I want to put this on. I've never used it before. Crazy colour in Capri blue. I got it off Amazon for about £5, I think it was. I'll link it down below. My hair needs washing. It looks awful amongst everything else right now, but as you can see, I've got some blue, I've got some green. It needs washing. It's pretty damn grim. So I'm going to wash my hair. I haven't done my face because I thought, what's the fucking point? If I'm going to be washing my hair, it's all just going to come off and I'm going to look like shit again afterwards. So I thought, save that for the end. This is going to go on after I've washed my hair. I think we leave it on for, let me just check. After shampooing, towel dry your hair, leave on 15 to 30 minutes. Me, 30 minutes all the way. You know what I mean? I want some blue. I want some proper goddamn blue. So I'm going to go wash my hair and then we're going to put this on. But I need to find some gloves because shitting how if you don't have gloves then your fingers are blue. You can't get rid of it and they just look nasty. Okay, so I've washed my hair. Even just washing my hair gives me blue hands. I've got my essentials minus one of the most important things, which is the Vaseline. I haven't got any Vaseline. Really need Vaseline with this colour hair. This is what I normally use. Colour Freedom. Truly blue. But not doing that. I've got kitchen roll, gloves, and the hair colour. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like when every time I wash my hair. Like, it's still blue, but it's, you can see all these bits like so much paler. It feels really matty as well at the moment. Look, a lot of colours come out there because I haven't put conditioner on, because you shouldn't put conditioner on if you're going to add some colour. It says to just apply, so I'm just going to start slapping it all over. Always make sure you've got stained t-shirts that you use for like hair dyeing. Again, with towels, anything that's got hair dye stains on them or whatever, don't ever use your best. We are saturated. So I'm going to leave that on for about 30 minutes minimum. And then I'm going to wash it off. Always keep your gloves. Look at the state of them. Always keep them because you're going to need them to wash it off as well. They are absolutely caked in blue. I've got about that much left of the bottle. I've kept just that little bit just in case. I always like to leave a little bit just in case I've missed some. But I don't do it how you're supposed to with a brush and a pot and do it. Who the fuck's got time for that? And who the hell's got arms that can fit around the back of their head like that? No, and because my hair's already blue, it just needs like more vibrant. I literally just put it on like an oil pretty much, you know, like hair oils. Get it all in there, rub it in, and yeah, so I'm gonna leave it set for half an hour minimum and I will be back to see what colour we are. Moment of truth, people. I've got to say, not liking the texture. Feels a bit dry. Oh, it's quite blue. Gotta give it that. But look, it's not, with Colour Freedom, you take your hair down and it just falls because it feels soft and conditioned. This doesn't. But it does look very blue. I'm liking it. Although, so far, let me dry it first and get it sorted. Jesus, my hand. So far, I would still go for Colour Freedom. Purely because the smell, the condition, this one has none of that. And it just feels really tacky and yeah. So, okay, I'm going to dry it and then let's style it and see how it looks and feels. feels so dry and damaged. I don't even think I can straighten this. No. This is the end result. That's the colour. Love the colour. But I can't straighten it, so I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it to its bush state. It's a beautiful colour though. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah. No. Let's go back to that. That is just crap. Look at that. Look at that. I'm trying to get off. Okay, so love the colour, hate the feel of it, so I won't use it again. I'm going to go back to colour Freedom, Truly Blue, and not use this one again in the Capri Blue. So this one wins, definitely. Smell of this is good. That has no smell. The conditioner of this, my hair has never felt like this. And the whole time I've been blue, I've never had that. Look. It's getting stuck. So that's a downer. That's a bit of a downer. Anyway, that's it for this video. I'm going to leave it there and let my bush be bush, because there's no way I'm getting hair straighteners onto that. Absolutely no way. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to get rid of my zombie hands now. And yeah, hopefully this will settle down with the next wash. Next wash is getting this. So if you do want your hair to be conditioned, go for Colour Freedom. Don't go for this one. That's it.